Hey, this is Doug from AI Light Show, and I wanted to make a quick and dirty video right from my desk here just to get you guys up and running when you receive your Force 1.0 box in the mail. Okay, so this is primarily for customers that have asked us to set up their DMX profiles for them, and they're already loaded onto the box. If you haven't done that, you need to first go to your app and set up your fixtures, your universes, and send that information over to the Force 1.0 with the included USB cable. Question keeps coming up, do I need to keep the unit connected to my laptop in run mode? And the answer is no. The only time you connect it with USB is when you're sending information from the app to the box. Okay, so let's talk connections. You do need to make sure that you have your power connected. That's pretty obvious. And then you're going to have your DMX out right here, which goes to the first fixture in your DMX chain, or possibly a DMX router or a DMX wireless unit, whatever it is, but this is your output to the entire rig. And then, of course, you got to have an audio input. And in this case, we're using a 1/4 inch. You could also use XLR here. But this is coming from an auxiliary send from my mixer. That's how I have it set up. You can use anything that can get a line level audio signal to your box. That's got to be the same signal that's obviously going to your speakers. Once again, line level. Never put a speaker level from an amplifier in there. That would not be good. Okay, so let's get up and running. We're going to turn the box on. And what happens is it loads the previous profile that you had running on the box. This is kind of a nice feature so that if you're using the same light show over and over again, and you're doing your setup, you turn the box on, you're up and running once you start sending audio to it. You don't have to load a preset or anything else like that, but we're going to go through both of those. So I'm ready to roll. I'm in blackout mode because blackout is blinking, right? And I'm going to release that when we're ready to see some lights. But let's just say that this is not the right profile. This is maybe I'm in a different venue and I have a different lighting rig and I need to change that. So I'm going to exit out of this back to the main screen, pressing and holding. So this is our main menu window. Now, top left corner, you can see that's the profile that's currently loaded on the box and ready to roll. That's my DJD1B profile, okay? Let's say I want to select a different profile. I'm going to hit load because I want to load a different profile. And I like using the stylus because I got fat fingers. We are going to have this window, and up here in the top right, you will see next profile. Well, I don't have anything in the next profile. There's no title up here. So I'll go to my previous profile, which was the one I'm on, DJDWeb1B. And then there's my previous file, DJD1. I'm going to go ahead and load that. Hit load. Okay. It asks me, am I sure I want to load this? I say yes. And now I have to run my light show on that profile. Okay, let's get a light show going. We'll send some audio to the Force One. And we can see an audio waveform here at the bottom. And our trigger level, this is adjustable here. I'm going to bring it down until I see some red peaks. That means we have triggering. You can look at the sync button. It's right on the kick drum, so we're good to go. We're currently still in blackout mode because it's blinking. So I'm going to release blackout mode. Now the light shows up and running. You've got 3 different run modes: maximum, normal, and mood. Sometimes I start in mood mode at the beginning of the night. It's more fadey, slow kind of thing. And then as the energy starts picking up, I go into something with a little bit more activity and always end the night in max mode. You have control of your brightness and your speed within these 3 modes. You also have a strobe feature that allows you to strobe the entire rig. Just press it down, hit it. Your whiteout feature is nice if you want to just hit some accent bumps. The other thing you can do is a momentary blackout, and you're back to action. Once again, press. As long as you hold it, you're in blackout mode. As soon as you release it, you're off. Let's say you want to stay in blackout mode for a reason. You would press blackout and lock it. Now you're in blackout mode. You want to get out of blackout mode? Tap it again. You're up and running. Okay, hope that helps.